Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun ain't changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a song.
Hey guys, Dean Lawton here with CL Capital Group, and here with Derek and Adam.
Your local mortgage broker firm.
How's it going?
So this is a new content series that we're releasing for 2019, where we are going to be talking about different tips and different events going on in the mortgage industry and the real estate industry. We're calling this the Mortgage Insider.
Yeah, for inside information on things that relate to mortgages and how you can save money, and just passing along information that we all know on a daily basis and changes and stuff, but in a bit more of a relatable setting. We want you guys to know that when you do work with us as your mortgage brokers, you know, all three of us are working together and sharing information and yeah, just wanted to get in front of you in a different way.
So we have conversations like this on a daily basis in our office about different sorts of tips and things that are going on, and so we're just going to give you guys a lens into one of our conversations.
Insider scoop.
Yeah, it should be able to help you guys navigate through a mortgage transaction, all of these tips, and make everything easier.
So why don't we start our first episode off with renewals? We see a ton of renewals in our business, and Adam, what would you say would be the most important piece to keep in mind if you have a mortgage coming up for a renewal?
So number one thing, if you have a mortgage, you should be ensuring that when you're getting a new one, it's the best deal going. A lot of times it can be, but there's also a lot of situations where contacting us, your mortgage brokerage, and saying, hey guys, this is what my lender's offering me. It could be super easy to renew. They're calling me 3 months, 6 months in advance. I don't know, what do you guys think? They're telling me I should take a fixed. I heard you guys say you should take a variable or whatever. If you have a mortgage and it's coming up for renewal, it's likely your biggest debt attached to your biggest investment. So just call us for a second opinion.
Just call us. It takes us half a day to let you know what's available to you, and if that is the best option, we'll send you back to your bank all day.
In most cases, would you say it's not in the bank's, from a profit standpoint, it's not in their best interest to give a renewal letter its best and final offer in that renewal letter? In most cases, a bank is gonna give their first quote in that renewal letter.
Well, it never happens.
Yeah, so it's quite regularly going to be at least 25 or 30 basis points, so 0.30% higher than what you would typically get on the market, right?
Well, in a lot of cases, because they're just thinking you're going to sign the letter.
For sure, yeah, it's easy.
It's easy. Stay here. You don't have to send me. I don't need to check your credit. I don't need to check your income documents. Just stick with me. I'm your lender now, and sign the documents and see you later. Or come on into the branch and we'll get you set up. Right? They make you feel important, right? Like, hey, let's set up an appointment. Come on in. But they're a sales team too.
But
right?
It can be as easy as just signing that letter and you're done.
You're done.
Where if you want to go look at what better options there are, you know, potentially save 0.30 or 0.50 in some cases,
which could equate to thousands and thousands of dollars over another 5-year term.
Yeah,
exactly.
For sure. So for a little bit of work, my analogy is a lot of times, you know, when you go shopping for a pair of shoes or some clothes or something on Amazon, you're checking 3 or 4 places to make sure you save $10 or $20 or 50, whatever it is, right? So if you could save $5,000
in year one,
right, or even more over the course of the term, why don't you just have us check for you? We're the ones that do all the work. You might just have to
shop it for you.
Yeah. So basically, the hot tip is, like, if you have a mortgage and it's coming due, call us to make sure you're getting the best deal.
Yeah.
It's free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. So I guess that's our first tip of this content series, and keep an eye out for more.
Yeah.
Awesome.
South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding